So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of projects right here, and I can open them out to access them out, of course, right here. So I can also go around over here, and from the home page, I can click on start a new video right here in order to create a new video project. But let's say I want to quickly create a video project without having to go to the home page of Google Vids. In that case, you can simply go around over here onto any URL address bar as you want right here, just like this. And then you can simply type in vids.new right here, just like this, and press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, you immediately have access to new file right here, just like this. It immediately creates a new Google Vids file, and you can start working around with it. And that is a shortcut that you have right here. You can actually go around over here and go for new video from existing project as well, and then you get a new video project just like that as well. And those are a few ways to create new video files in Google Vids, and you can easily use shortcut as you saw as well as for Google Vids, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.